welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kavya and this is the very first monthly favorites ever on this channel. I've never done a monthly favorites before, but I love watching monthly favorites on YouTube, and I thought, why not kickstart the series with the very first October monthly favorites. You will find a monthly favorites video on this channel at the end of every month, where I'll be doing a roundup of all the items that I have been owning on. Actually, not really items either, they might be like different things across different categories that I have been obsessing over: skincare, bath, home decor, food, art, and so on. There'll be no set pattern, it will keep changing every month, and I think that's what I'm most excited about. But before we go ahead, I have to tell you that I have a little announcement right at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around, because if you enjoy watching my videos, this is going to be a little exciting for you. So yeah, make sure you stick around till the end of the video to know what I'm talking about. And yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you know every single time I upload a new video. And without wasting any further time, let's get straight into this video. So let's kickstart with the skincare category, and the first item that I have with me is the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. I recently got my hands on a ton of Simple products, which was in collaboration with the brand for a video. But one product that actually stood out for me, that I've tried, tested and loved, is this Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. This is so light, it just absorbs into my skin and it creates such a nice, healthy, plump base before I go ahead with my makeup. So I've actually been using this before starting off my makeup, and I kind of skip my primer too, because this one really settles into the skin and gives me a really nice base. Like, my skin looks so hydrated. Also, this one is the 12-hour moisturization variant. They do have another variants which have sunscreen protection and all of that, so in case you do step out in the sun more frequently than me, then you might want to check that range out. Also, if you're not aware, Simple is a 100% clean beauty brand. This video is of course not sponsored. I'm just telling you everything that I know about this brand and why I love this product. I think with winters fast approaching, if you too have like combination skin like me and you don't like moisturizers that are too oily, you might want to try this one out. I have a feeling you'll really like it. Also, it's really affordable and you get a good amount right there with this bottle, and it's going to definitely last you a really long time. So highly recommending this one. Now, I don't know if you know this about me, but I am obsessed with showers, taking a bath. I take bath like twice a day. I could take bath thrice a day if it was up to me. And I love my shower products, okay? I love bath and body products and I really obsess over them. So I have been loving this Bath and Body Works Hello Beautiful Shea and Vitamin E shower gel. It's in this really nice, beautiful magenta color, and it smells so nice. It smells so fresh. It's not overpowering and it lathers up beautifully. So I like my loofah to be like super duper lathered, and this one is amazing. I have a lot of other shower gels in general because, like I told you, I'm obsessed with bath and body products. So don't be surprised if this category is a constant in like every video. So yeah, this is my second item right here. The next product that I have with me is the Nykaa Skin Potion 24 Karat Gold Facial Oil. Now, if you've been following me for long enough, you know that I have been using this obsessively in every single makeup tutorial. Right before I go ahead with my makeup, I prep my skin with this. You must have seen this in, I think, almost all the recent makeup tutorials. That's just how obsessed I am with this. So this is a facial oil, and earlier I was really hesitant about going ahead with facial oils because I do have combination skin, and I was like, you would lead me to oily. But once you apply this, like just 2 to 3 drops, apply it well into your skin and then go ahead with your liquid foundation. Trust me, you are gonna love the beautiful dewy glowy skin that you'll be left with. It looks so fresh and it looks so dewy, and your skin just looks so plump and hydrated, and it's not sticky or tacky at all, okay? So once it's absorbed into your skin, once you go ahead with your liquid foundation, set it, it's gonna look so flawless, and I always feel like this is what gives me that really nice glowing base. Really love this stuff. If you've never tried like a facial oil before, this is a good place to start because absolutely love this as is, and with makeup it's my favorite combination. You are not gonna believe what's my next favorite. I never thought that this would ever make it to any favorite video, but I guess there's a time for everything, because I absolutely hate false eyelashes. Okay, I've been hating on them for as long as I can remember. I never ever use them. For my wedding and my engagement, those two occasions were the only times I really went with a false eyelash, because I just don't like the idea of false eyelashes. But this month, on a whim, when I was filming my top 10 nude lipsticks, I'm linking it right here for you guys in case you've not seen it, I decided to try on falsies. Okay, I was like, you know, why not? Let's just try it. It's been years that I wore one, so let's just try it. And I loved it. I absolutely love how it changed my eye makeup game. Like, the pictures looked so glam and it just leveled up, you know, my whole makeup game just leveled up. And after that I was like, oh my god, I can't believe this is me. Like, I think I have been using a different eyelash every single time I have done a full-blown makeup tutorial. So the next item that I have with me is actually fake eyelashes. Oh my god. But yeah, these are like Huda Beauty fake eyelashes. These are called Camille, I'm not sure. I'm going to link it down below for you. Hashtag 16. And this is what I'm wearing right now also. This is definitely not something that you want to wear on an everyday basis because it is dramatic. But if you are someone like me who likes to wear eyelashes only when it's a special occasion or when you've done like a full glam, this is amazing. I especially love this one because the band is not very long. Okay, it's like a little shorter, which means it's very easy to put it on and it gives you that extra crazy beautiful volume right in the center of your eye. So I feel like it's so much easier to work with this one. Like, otherwise most of those dramatic eyelashes, they are like really long bands and you need to cut them off and then place it. Too much effort. I'm not for all of that. So I absolutely love these eyelashes, and I can't believe that I am now a convert who actually enjoys wearing eyelashes. And with that, we wrap up my beauty skincare category. Let's move on to the next category, which is going to be home decor. So in this category I'll try and share, like, you know, different items that I've been loving, enjoying at my home. This could be decor items or utility items. And what I have with me is these candle holders. I have tons of these all over my home, and I absolutely am obsessed with lighting these aroma oils and burning a candle, and just, you know, I do this whole routine before I sleep, in the morning, in the evening, depends on my mood, but not a single day goes by when I don't use these. These are so beautiful. They are also like a decor item because you place them anywhere on your shelf, on your table, anywhere around the house. They look beautiful as is. So the way to use this is that you just fill in water right here in the hollow area, and then you just drop in your candle in this little section right here, and then you drop in your favorite aroma oil, 2 to 3 drops in the water, and light the candle. What happens is that the water slowly begins to evaporate and the aroma oil eventually diffuses into your room and it smells beautiful. It's a very nice faint smell. It's not overpowering because your essential oil is diffused in water, right? So it's a very nice faint calming smell. It just creates such a nice calming environment in your home. If you don't have one of these diffusers, I highly recommend investing in one small one. You know, start with a small piece and just keep it in a corner of your home that you love, or say you have a reading nook and whenever you sit to read or anything, just light a candle, put in a couple of drops of your favorite scented oil, and trust me, there's no going back. You're going to thank me later, because this is definitely a routine that I have been loving over the last month and over the last few years. So I knew I had to add this in my very first favorites video. Okay, next up, let's talk about food. Now you guys know that I love to cook. If you are following me on Instagram, you see the food that I keep cooking on a regular basis. You know I love baking and all of that. So I thought that, you know, it'll be fun to share like 2 recipes or like 2 food items that I discovered over the month that I have been obsessed with and share it with you guys. So let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Okay, so the first thing that I've been obsessing over is celery. Now if you are following me on Instagram, you've already seen all these stories, and I've been literally kickstarting my day with a glass of celery juice. So celery juicing is something that I started right this month and I have been enjoying it so far. So you're supposed to be having a celery juice shot right on an empty stomach first thing in the morning, and then you're not supposed to have anything for like 30 minutes after, and then of course you can follow it up with your normal meals, breakfast, whatever routine you follow. So that's just a little tiny addition that I've made to my morning routine. Do let me know if you want me to make like a separate video on celery juicing, the benefits, how it tastes, how I make my celery juice, etc, etc. I'd love to make such a video for you. So I don't like oats, okay? I just don't like oats as is. Like my dad has oats every day for breakfast and I just used to find it so slimy and tasteless and bland and boring, and I used to always be like, how can you eat oats every day, every morning for breakfast? Like, how do you eat it? And guess what? I have been experimenting with oats over the last month, and one recipe that I have been loving is oats cookies. It tastes nothing like oats to begin with. It tastes so yum. It tastes so like chewy and soft and crisp, if you may like. So there are so many ways to make this. I'll try and link a couple of recipes below for you guys, but you know what, just go and Google some recipes and try and make what suits your taste buds, because there are tons of combinations that you can try and really make it your own, you know. So whatever your favorites are, whatever, in fact even if you want to try this for your parents, this is amazing because it's so healthy. It has like no sugar and no maida and nothing like that. Super duper healthy. So yeah, it's like a really nice clean eat, and if you want to snack on that, so good. So I think oats cookies would be the second thing that I have been obsessing over this month. And I'm so excited to share my last favorite. Actually, I'm so excited for this category because it is books. You guys know how much I love reading, and you guys always ask me to share my top book recommendations or like favorites or, you know, top reads, etc, etc. And I thought, why not make this a permanent category in this monthly favorites. So I'll try and keep the books in this recommendation super generic, super relatable. I'll try and avoid like, you know, the heavy reads and the dense reads and the super literature driven reads. So these are going to be books that you can just order online or just pick up if you have it already and give it a quick read. These are not going to be your dense reads, okay? So the first book that I have in a very first video in the books category is Like the Flowing River by Paulo Coelho. So this book is a collection of Paulo Coelho's thoughts, reflections, musings, and basically several articles that were in print before. They are all compiled together in this one book, and it makes for such a nice read. Like, they are really short articles, okay? So not more than 2-3 pages. In fact, some of them are just like a 1-page read, and if you're not a reader, this is amazing because there's so much to learn. You know, Paulo Coelho doesn't complicate things. His language is very like easy to grasp, and it's all a very quick read. So if you are not a reader, you might actually really enjoy this book because you can just pick up, go through a couple of pages, stop right there, and then pick up from where you left, because they are not connected stories. It's not a novel, right? So you just like pick up on the go, read as much, or like me, then just read it in one go. There's just so much to learn from this book, because I feel like when you read a book, you know, you have learned years of an author's experiences, life lessons, regrets. Everything is consolidated in this one little book, and that's such a small price to pay for the best of somebody else's learnings, right? So when you read this book, you are actually learning all that he learned over his childhood, through his teenage years, to his adulthood, and then in his older years, and that's amazing. So I'm highly recommending this book. If you've not yet read it, go ahead, order it. I'm going to link it right below for you. It's such a nice book to have because I'm pretty sure you'll have like a couple of favorites in there that you'll want to keep going back to, that you want to remind yourself often whenever you feel like you are at that juncture in life. And if you do order this book, do tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see you guys reading this book with me. I'd love to repost your stories. So do tag me if you do end up buying this book in particular. The rest of the things are okay, but I have a soft corner for books. So yeah, I'd love for you guys to read this and tell me what you think about it. And that brings me to the end of this video, and it's time for the little announcement. So starting November 1st to November 14th, which is Diwali, that's like the 1st November to the 14th of November, there's gonna be one video going up every single day. I'm not really sure what I'm calling this, but I definitely am so nervous and excited because I've never done like 14 days of back-to-back videos. But these are going to be like amazing festive videos that'll go up every single day, and these will range from like fashion to makeup, home decor to cooking and vlogs and so much more. So I'm really excited about this, and all your support will really mean the world to me because a lot of effort has gone into putting this fortnight of videos together. I've been at it for over a month. So I really hope you guys enjoy watching all the 14 videos that I have lined up for you in the days ahead. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button. I'm really excited to kickstart this whole 14-day challenge ahead, and do let me know if you have like a cool name that we could call this series. I'm not sure what we should call it, so let me know in the comments below. So until the next video, which will officially kickstart the 14-day video series, like the whole festive video series, I'm gonna ask you to take care, stay safe, and yeah, bye.